guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello, my name is Victoria. I'm so glad to have you here today. Today's video is going to be a grocery haul. I have not done like a real grocery haul in this house since we moved in, I don't think. You guys know I love sharing grocery hauls. I know you guys like seeing them, and today this is from MEIJER. I spent about $84, I believe, something like that. I did have a $10 off coupon that I got in the mail, which was so nice. It was like $10 off of $50 or more, so that was really nice. And I also use my M-Perks, which is like the app for MEIJER, which I really like if you have a MEIJER near you, because you can clip coupons on the app, and then when you put in your phone number, all of them come up, and so like if you bought stuff that goes with the coupons, it will like automatically apply. So I really like that, but I have a ton of stuff behind me, so let's go ahead and get into it. I haven't been to the grocery store in like 2 weeks, so we kind of needed a lot of stuff. This isn't a super healthy haul, but yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so this is like the overview, and then I'm gonna skip over my sink because I have a bunch of dishes in there, but it's fine, and a pan left over from breakfast from Devin. But anyways, everything couldn't fit on this one side, so I had to put some stuff over there. This is in seriously no order at all. I literally just laid stuff out wherever it fits. So we're gonna start over here with the very unhealthy beginning to this grocery haul, which is my ramen. And if you're wondering why I bought so much ramen, it's because I love this girl on TikTok, and I can't even think of her name. I honestly don't even know if I know it by like by my memory. I just know her face, but she's like a military spouse, and she does like TikToks of her eating, and she always is eating ramen. So I got some of this and some of these cup of noodles because she's been eating these, and I'm like, oh my gosh, that looks so good. So I got a bunch of ramen. I know, kind of random, but whatever. And then we are having like a carry-in lunch tomorrow at work, and I said I was gonna make a dessert, and we went to Devin's mom's house, and someone made this dessert, and it was like crumbled up angel food cake with Cool Whip and strawberries and blueberries, and it was so good. So I'm gonna make that. So I just bought the pre-made one because I don't have the energy or time to make an angel food cake. So I just got the pre-made one. I got some blackberries because they were on sale. Oh, the reason I got blackberries was because the blueberries were not on sale, so they were like $4 for like a small pint. And I was like, I'm not gonna get those. So I got some blackberries, some raspberries, some strawberries, and I also have bananas, so I'm just gonna kind of throw together a bunch of fruit in there. And then back here, I know I'm a child, but I got some applesauce squeeze things. This is why you have to pay attention, okay guys, when you're at the store. Don't always just go for the off-brand, because today these were on sale for 2 for $4, and the Walmart brand, or not the Walmart brand, the MEIJER brand was $1.99 for each one. So it was the same price to get these, the name brand ones. So, and I kind of like these better, so I got the apple strawberry and the apple banana little pouches, and I've been liking these in the morning, like with my breakfast, because I haven't been like super hungry, because I do wake up like really early for work. So I'll have like one of these with like some frozen waffles, and that's what I'll eat for breakfast. So I like those, and it's like an easy little, you know, kind of like snack. Back here I got some Raisin Bran. This was another thing. A lot of the things today were on sale, like the name brand stuff. This family size box of Raisin Bran was the same exact price as the family size box of the MEIJER Raisin Bran, so I got the name brand. And then one night I'm gonna do tomato soup and grilled cheese for us for dinner. So I just get like the condensed one, and then I add my milk to it myself, since I don't drink regular milk. So I just like to buy it like this, and then I mix it with my milk. And then I got some bow tie pasta because I'm gonna do like a really yummy smoked sausage with broccoli, and then like an olive oil and garlic, kind of like a spicy little sauce sort of a thing. I have it saved on my Pinterest, but it sounded really good, so I'm gonna make that for dinner one night. And then if you come over here, I got some lunch meat for Devin. This is just turkey breast. I got some corn because I'm gonna make pasta salad with chicken one night, and I thought corn would be good with it. I love corn. And then I got some Nutri-Grain bars. I got these because we have these at work in our little like snack thing, and they just sounded really good. So I got some of my own, the blueberry kind. And then I got some Club Mini crackers because I love those. And then you guys know it wouldn't be a Victoria Foxx grocery haul without some double stuffed family size Oreos, so I got those. And then back here I got the smoked sausage I was talking about. I always get the Hillshire Farm one. It's the turkey smoked sausage because it's usually like the most affordable, and I like turkey, anything really, like ground turkey, turkey sausage, stuff like that. So I got the turkey smoked sausage, and then I got some MEIJER blueberry waffles. In this case these were a lot cheaper, so I did get the blueberry waffles, and then I also got the multi-grain ones because I've just been loving them for breakfast, so I just thought I would get 2 boxes just to have them for a while. And then I used to buy these in Florida a lot. Devin and I really like these. These are the Purdue chicken, like chicken and vegetable chicken tenders, and they're really, really good in the air fryer. So I got some of those. And then Devin uses these for his like morning omelet little thing he makes. So they are these carb-wise whole wheat like wraps, and they have a bunch of different flavors, but I usually just get a different one every time. So I got the whole wheat one. And then I also have been really liking English muffins for breakfast with peanut butter. So I got some blueberry English muffins. And then I got some Uncrustables. I don't know why I got these. We bought some like grape ones a couple weeks ago, and I just like to have them just as like something easy. And if I don't like cook dinner, like if we eat out, I can take this for like lunch the next day at work if I just like throw some other stuff with it. So I like these just to have something easy as like a little snack or like a lunch or something. And then I got 2 tubs of Meijer extra creamy whipped topping for the dessert I'm gonna make. I got some 7-Up, I got some pretzels, and then I got 2 of these Silk dairy-free yogurts. I got a vanilla and a blueberry because I got a bunch of fruit, so I thought maybe like some like morning yogurt with fruit would be good. And then over here I got some Mexican shredded cheese and some Colby Jack sliced cheese. That's for the grilled cheese, and that's just for like whatever. I think I'm gonna do like taco bowls one night, so that's why I got that cheese. You guys know I am like mostly dairy-free. I've kind of been like slacking lately with the dairy-free stuff. There are certain things that I don't ever eat. Like I hardly ever eat cheese, but like stuff like the frozen waffles, like, you know, it has dairy in it, but I don't know. I just kind of am like off of it right now. I eat dairy sometimes. It doesn't make me feel great, but certain things like trigger me more than other dairy items. So sorry if you can hear the dogs in the back. They're crying because I just got home from the store and I haven't let them out of their crate yet, just because it's easier if I do this without them because they like to cry and bark at me. So anyways, I was out of my butter. This is another thing I don't ever buy like regular butter. This is the Country Crock plant butter. This is my favorite like plant-based butter that I've ever tried. So if you guys like dairy-free butters, the Country Crock plant butters, they're super smooth and creamy and like spreadable. I really like them. Back there is a random thing of like minced garlic that I needed. And then I got Devin some regular milk. I get the fat-free, it's what he likes. And then I know that he's kind of a chocolate milk snob, and he loves the Fairlife chocolate milk. Kroger chocolate milk is the best. I just got this because I was at Meijer and I didn't, like I wasn't gonna go to Kroger just for chocolate milk, so I got that. We'll see if he likes it, I don't know. I got some eggs, I got some taco seasoning. You guys know I used to buy the taco seasoning in like the big container, but I found it was like going bad really fast because I wasn't using it enough. So I kind of have gone back to the packets, but if you do like use taco seasoning like weekly, I would say just to get the big container, and you can find it like with the taco stuff, like with the shells and stuff like that. And then let's see, strawberries were on sale for $1, so I got 2 of them. I'll probably use a whole container for my dessert for work, and then I just got another one just to have at home. And then I just have a few more things over here. I got some raspberries. The raspberries and blackberries were on sale for like $1.20 something, so that's why I got some. I got some organic bananas, they're my favorite. I got 2 Gala apples, and I got some organic romaine lettuce, and I'm gonna chop up and use for taco bowls and also for just like salad or whatever. You could also use these for wraps if you want, because they're like in the little, you know, they're like, they're not cut up. I don't know how to say it, like the romaine hearts. They're not cut up, so you could use them as a wrap. And then this is just chicken, 1 pack of chicken and 1 pack of ground turkey. And then I got Devin this International Delight iced coffee, the Oreo one. This is his favorite. He drinks this every morning. And then random, but I decided to get some Checkers Rally's fries. These are the bomb. I love Rally's fries, and I thought they would be good maybe with those chicken tenders one night for dinner, just to put in the air fryer. I thought that would be really good. Whew, now I'm out of breath because I just talk so much. I always talk an excessive amount in these grocery hauls, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any video requests, leave them down below, and I love you guys so much. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.